Assalamualaikum and hi. Today we are going to present about the Linear Regression Project in MTK3053. Introduction to Statistics. Our lecturer is Dr. Nazri Husin. In this project, we are allowed to choose our own topic, and we have chosen the topic about the college GPA and years to graduate of alumni from 2012 to 2021. First of all, may I introduce our group members. This group consists of 3 members, which is me, myself, Nurul, Hanis, Binti, Azman. Matrix ID S66761. I will be explaining more about introduction of this topic and also different population and variable, and lastly about data collection. Next, our second member is Syahirah Binti Rosli. Matrix ID S67346. She will be explaining more about study design. And lastly, Dirolyieen John, matrix ID S65842. She will be explaining more about result, statistical analysis, and also findings. So, we will go through the introduction of this topic. As stated, we have chosen the college GPA and years to graduate of alumni from 2012 to 2021. This study is conducted on the alumni of 3 bachelor profession, which is what we choose is Bachelor of Computer Science, Software Engineering, Bachelor of Computer Science, Maritime Informatics, and also Bachelor of Computer Science in Mobile Computing. This assignment is about finding the correlation between the college GPA, which is we call that CGPA, and years to graduate of the alumni. Finally, the simple regression equation of college GPA on years to graduate are fitted in this alumni. Next, we will go through the different population and variable. So, what is in our mind before we starting this project? We are wondering if the CGPA will affect the years to graduate to this alumni. So, by that, we have completed to collect these 4 types of data that we think it might be important to our project. First is population. Population, we have taken the alumni from years 2012 to 2021. Second data is variables. Variables is there is 2 quantitative variables that we have taken, which is in explanatory, we choose the college GPA, or we call CGPA, and B, response, years to graduate as Y. The college GPA is X, and the years to graduate is Y. To the third data type is research question. In this research question, we are wondering, is there a positive correlation between the CGPA and the years to graduate for alumni in that particular year? And the last data is hypothesis. Alumni with greater CGPA have a smaller number of years to graduate, which is our positive correlation is hypothesized in the final of this project. So as you can see here, this is our website that we have taken the data from, which named kaggle.com. This is the trusted website, and this is the graduation rate from the website that we have taken. So in this data collection, this is, as you can see the table here, this is from kaggle.com. This data set is what we have taken 10 data from college GPA and 10 data from years to graduate of alumni from 2012 to 2021. This is our website link that we have referred to, and this is our source is kaggle.com.
Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. I'm Syahirah Binti Rosli, S67346. We present about creating scatter plot graph using Excel. So this is our data. First, go to the data and select all. Then insert tab, choose scatter plot. Okay, so you can see here very uneven data plots. So click to y-axis and put the minimum value 2. Okay, so next we fix the x-axis and put minimum value 3. Okay, so after that we click on the data plot, right click and choose a trend line, and here we make sure it is linear, and don't forget to create display equation and r squared value. Okay, so I drag the result here to make it clear. Okay, so this is our final result. Okay, next is data analysis. Okay, so first go to data tab and then select data analysis. Okay, and choose regression. After that, as we can see here, there's y range and x range. So y range is yours. Okay, and x range is college GPA. Okay, we click this icon, and then don't forget to tick labels and output range. Okay, so I put here for the summary output and click OK. Alright, so this is the result. Okay, that's right. Alright, so as you can see here, there is intercept, coefficients, okay, and college GPA. So the equation is y equals to negative 4.1711x plus 19.524. Okay, so next is r value. R value is just from multiple r value, which is 0.79. Okay, next is data analysis. Okay, so first go to data.
This is the result that we obtained by using the analysis tool pack from the Microsoft Excel. From this result, the regression equation is found at the coefficient column. Therefore, the equation is y equal to negative 4.1711x plus 19.544. We also can obtain the correlation coefficient value in the result, which is r equal to 0.79. To determine the final hypothesis, we use the hypothesis testing method. Step 1 is state the hypothesis. The null hypothesis is equal to 0, means that there is no correlation between x and y variable in the data. Alternative hypothesis is not equal to 0, means that the correlation is between x and y variable in the data. Step 2 is find the critical value. Since the alpha is 0.05 and the value degree of freedom is 8, the critical value we get from the table F is 2.306. The third step is to compute the test value. By using the formula, we get the test value equal to 3.64. Next step is to make the decision. Since the t-value is greater than the critical value and the test value is in the critical region. Therefore, we reject the null hypothesis. The final step is to summarize the result. We can conclude that there is relationship between the college GPA and years to graduate for alumni from 2012 to 2021. Thus, the hypothesis is alumni with greater college GPA have a small number of years to graduate.